What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube, and today we got some more parts that came in and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. So first things first, we're gonna bring the Mustang out and put it in the driveway so we can have a little bit of room to work with in the garage. And now it's time to turn it on, so let's get it. So now that we got the Mustang in here, we got some boxes to open up with you guys. And before I open up the boxes, I want to remind you guys one last time that tomorrow, me and Stang Mode are having a big car meet. If you're from Michigan, make sure you show up. I'm gonna leave the flyer for you guys right here. It has the address, it has the time. It's from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. The address is on the flyer. Like I said, there will also be giveaways, so make sure you show up. The earlier you come, the better, so you guys could get the giveaways. Obviously, it's limited. It's not for every single person, but there will be a lot of stuff given away. I'll show you guys what is given away in just a little bit. And after the meet, we're gonna go for a little cruise, maybe go to Woodward, have some fun, and have a great night. So make sure you show up. Also, if you forgot to watch yesterday's video, make sure you go check it out. We did a mod to the Mustang suspension, so make sure you go and check that out. It's a pretty lit video. But now let's check out the boxes that we got in the mail. So we got a few of them. Let me grab a chair and get seated. So now that I'm sitting, we got a few things in the mail, and one of them being for the exhaust. So I'm gonna show you guys that first, and then I'm gonna move on to the other boxes. So here's the first box. It's kind of open, as you can see, and I'll tell you guys what it is. There it is. It's a Mustang GT Resonator Delete X pipe. Yes, so we're gonna bring some sound to the Mustang, and this is all from Steeda, by the way. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys a little more into detail of what it is. So Steeda S550 Mustang GT Resonator Delete X pipe. So here is the tools you will need. Installation. Literally has step-by-step of how to install them. Let me zoom in for you guys. Literally everything is right here. Like I said, man, Steeda is such a great company to work with and get parts from, because they are just so simple and straight to the point. They give you directions. I mean, it's just so simple. So that's the instructions. Now let me show you guys the actual pipe. Oops. Alright. So here's everything. All the bolts. What it looks like. I don't think anything is in here. No. Nothing. So here is the X pipe, guys. It's definitely gonna make the car sound a lot better, and I know you guys have been asking for the car to get louder than it is. So here's what we got. Steeda got their stamp on it. So that's one part of the exhaust. Now the other part is in this box. So this box right here is from Mac Performance, all the way in Florida. Great people. Spoke to the owner. He's gonna work with me on the build of the Mustang, and he sent over this pipe, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm putting this on my car. So basically, I told you guys I'm not doing headers. I'm gonna go with the cat delete, and the box I just showed you guys is the mid pipe for the cat delete. So the owner from Mac Performance sees my vision, and I believe we could go really fast without the headers, and he agreed as well, and he's gonna help me out throughout this whole process to make my Mustang a 10-second car without headers. We're gonna prove a lot of people wrong, and I'm gonna show you guys another way to make your Mustang fast without doing the headers. So now let me show you guys the box real quick. So let's get this thing out of here. difficult with one hand, but we're gonna try. Very difficult with one hand. So here's one. Right here, I'll show you guys all of it in just a second. Here is the second one, as you guys can see. They are literally the only company that has these. Like, he literally has a design patent on these. Literally, when you search catless mid-pipes for the 2018 to 2019 Mustangs, Mac Performance will pop up. No other company will have these. And also, there is something else in there that I want to show you guys. It's all the way in there. So let's move these pipes. All right. Okay. All right. So instructions are available on our website. Do not attempt to install without reading instructions. Yeah, do not. So I opened it earlier. I want to open it again. I'm not sure how now. I don't want to rip this piece of paper out. Oh, it might be right here. Right here. I'm going to actually take it out and show you guys, because I like to show you guys everything. So here, we got this. Just a sealer. I don't want to lose anything. Alright, empty box. So bolts, and then we got this. So that's pretty much, I think this goes on here, kind of the same thing. You put like the two washers. Oops. Just put these two washers right there. This. And then the nut. Okay. Alright. So this is basically all that it comes with in these two pipes. All from Mac Performance, guys. So the next box is a cosmetic mod. Yes, I'm finally doing something to the way the car looks. It's nothing major, but I'm going to show you guys real quick. This next box is from CJ Pony Parts, right there. Let's open it up. We don't need that. Alright, so first thing is badges. So I opened one for you guys just to show you guys what exactly I got. Alright. It's gloss black badges. So this is for the front. Let me put this here now. So we got the 5.0 on the side. I'm going to show you guys how they look now. So here's what it looks now. And then these will go here on both sides. Also, we got the GT on the back. Official licensed product. Gloss black. All of them are in gloss black. And then here, we got something special. Let me open it up for you guys. This is the first time I've opened this. Alright. So here, what we have is tints. So here's everything this tint kit is. Front headlights, headlight amber, side markers, fog lights, mirror marker, tail lights, reverse lights, side marker, brake lights, literally everything. I'm probably not gonna do the front headlights, but everything else I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna be doing this piece, this right here, the tail light, and the brake light. So I'm pretty much tinting everything except the headlights. I'm not a big fan of tinting the headlights because it just looks weird to me. I don't like it, and Some cars it looks right on. This car, in my opinion, does not look right on. So now we got all the parts here. These 2 boxes are special because they are for you guys. Yes, for subscribers. These boxes are for you guys. So I told you guys there will be some giveaways at the car meet, and those giveaways are in these boxes. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. First box. Give me a drum roll. T-shirts. Yes. T-shirts from Steeda. Shout out to Steeda. Awesome people. Shout out to Jigger for hooking it up. Shout out to everyone at Steeda for hooking this up as well. Look at these amazing looking shirts. Steeda, their logo. You got a Mustang right here. Looks like it has a front lip. Some nice wheels. A Steeda sticker on it. Said speed matters, duh. So there will be plenty of t-shirts to give away. Obviously, they're pretty limited. It's not like I have hundreds of these t-shirts. So make sure you're there if you want to get one of these cool t-shirts. It's tomorrow, Saturday, May 11th. Make sure you show up. So that's just one thing we're giving, right? Let me show you guys what else I'll be giving away. Alright, let's put this over here. Alright, so here we got license plate frames. Look how awesome they look. Steeda right there with the S. Their logo is pretty sick. Like, usually I wouldn't rock a plate frame, but I actually might rock this. This is pretty cool. So we got a few of these. I believe we have like 80 of them, I feel like he told me. So yeah, we got a bunch of them. Also, we got these stickers. I know Staying Mode rocks these on his cars. So if you guys want to get some stickers, make sure you're there. These are pretty good stickers, not the cheap stuff. And you get this whole thing right here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stickers in this little thing. We got that. We got more of them right here. And yeah, this is the banner that we're gonna have at the meet. I'm actually gonna show you guys this. And they gave this away so I could put it in my garage. So shout out to you guys from Steeda. All right. Oh. All right. Let's get it. All right, Steeda Auto Sports right here. This is the banner we're gonna hang up, and I'm excited for the meet. Shout out to Steeda for sponsoring this meet. This is gonna be huge for us. Again, speed matters. Well, there it is, guys. You guys have seen every single box I've gotten in the mail, literally everything. And now the video is coming to an end, so make sure you show up to the meet, check me out, check Staying Mode out, and let's have some fun. So a lot of the mods I just showed you guys will be installed pretty soon, so just stay tuned for the videos. Of course, once they're all done, we're gonna hit the track. We're gonna see the improvement in, you know, the suspension upgrades, the exhaust, everything I pretty much installed, the wheels and tires. So if you guys haven't watched those videos, go back and check them out. But anyways, if you guys liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. Make sure you're following me on my social media. It's right there in the corner. And now it's time for me to go. Have an awesome day, and make sure you guys stay positive. Peace out.